Meaning of disharmony.
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 Disharmony. Disharmony refers to a state of conflict or lack of agreement between individuals or groups. It occurs when there is a disagreement or clash in ideas, values, goals, or interests, leading to misunderstandings, tension, and negative emotions. The result of disharmony can be detrimental to personal relationships, work productivity, social cohesion, and societal well-being. It can also lead to isolation, stress, and mental health issues. Therefore, it is essential to address disharmony through effective communication, negotiation, empathy, and understanding.